Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Macon County in west central Georgia, southern Marion County in west central Georgia, Webster County in west central Georgia, Schley County in west central Georgia, Sumter County in west central Georgia, southwestern Taylor County in west central Georgia until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Nearmont to Seminole to Centerpoint, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Americus, Buena Vista, Elladale, Oglethorpe, Preston, Montezuma, Marshallville, Glaines, Ideal, Leslie, Andersonville, DeSoto, Weston, Smithville, Cobb, Sumter, Putnam, Lamar, and Seminole. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and west central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at